Hello and welcome to Banned from the Video Store for all of your horror reviews and more. I am your host, the Big Sexy Evil, Stray 13. And tonight I'm reviewing Texas Chainsaw 3D. And I have a new guest host, the soulless demon eyes of the Furby. Yes. Tonight I'm reviewing the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3D movie, and I have to say one thing about this movie. They made Leatherface an anti-hero. I'm not going to go into anything other than that. Leatherface is almost a good guy. I hate this movie. I think the people that made this movie need to be taken out in the street and shot. What do you think, Furby? Yeah, see? He agrees. You're right, Furby. We should kill them all. We should. This is your host, Stray 13.